I'm Philippe Delucy, I'm the founder or chairman of Equal. We are a managed service provider focused on application performance management and network at large. We provide services for large corporations, generally speaking running in several dozen of countries and for hundreds of sites. We are a 45 people company based in Futuroscope near Poitiers. We plan to make 8 million euro this year. We deliver services around the network since 15 years, and we were probably one of the first to provide managed QoS services as soon as 2002 for the first customer. We operate now in 60 countries in the world, and this is the transition to SD-WAN, but we started hybrid network almost 10 years ago. Based on customer feedback and field experience, we need to evolve to provide more flexible and efficient services, trying to take advantage of multi-WAN telco provider and enhancing the managed services by function as security, even on edge site function like file server, AD servers, and so on. So this is a reason why we look at SD-WAN technology almost 2 years ago and started a process to select a partner. So it was a quite lengthy process. We probably survey more than a dozen of vendors, then finally start a proof of concept with 6 of them, engage close discussion with 2 of them, and finally select NewEdge. What we were looking for was mainly openness, flexibility, and a reasonable set of features between layer 3 networking, QoS, and security, knowing that we will never find the perfect solution, but at least to find a technology able to sustain an evolution toward the coming years. Out of this process, so NewEdge came out as the winner. And obviously, first of all, because we found within NewEdge the key element we were looking for, so openness, flexibility, ability to embed extensive VNF, to do all the basic and advanced networking. But that was not only that, we were also looking for a partnership. So we were also looking for people able to listen to our needs, to try to consider our experience in order to implement their roadmap. And last but not least, people we can start a common business with, because we are a managed service provider, and so we have to find customer. Obviously, we will start with our own customer, but the idea is to go and win new customer with NewEdge. As far as the future is concerned, first of all, it's just starting. So we will probably have to plan for the next 2 years how, first of all, to physically implement the solution, not only by our own premises, because obviously when you want to sell, the first thing to do is to use it. Secondly, there is a 6-month period where we will try to do 2 or 3 industrial POC with our own customer. And then the plan is to be able to provide an industrialized service by the end of Q1 2018. And based on that, to continue to roll out on new customer. On the longer run, we want also to take advantage of the origin of NewEdge and then to deploy also within the cloud and the large data center. This was also one of the advantages of NewEdge, to be able to have a seamless and integrated solution from the end user up to the application.